Hey guys, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and I'm going to go over the HRX217HZA lawnmower with you today. Okay guys, this is the HZA mower. This is the top tier, the last mower in the HRX series, and it's going to be the best one really. It's going to have everything that you're looking for. It's going to have a hydrostatic transmission, which is going to be fully adjustable here by this lever. It's going to make it super easy on the back end. No more belts. It also has adjustable throttle control there. Coming around the back, you have the roto stop, which means you can stop your blades, but not the mower, and be able to take that bag off and empty all of your lawn trimmings without having to restart your mower. Speaking of starting, it has an electric start, and you also have a backup that's on the left-hand side of the mower just in case. Come down here, typical Nexite deck. It's going to be super strong, super sturdy, full lifetime warranty on that, and it's also going to have the 4-in-1 Versamo clip director there. If I move that green knob, it's going to be opening that door in and out, and that's going to make it so you can bag mulch, shred up leaves, or dispatch or discharge out the back, and that bag's going to be able to come off. Guys, it's a HRX lawnmower, so it's got a 5-year warranty. Come in, check it out here at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs on staff. All Hondas are treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work hard, play hard, Heartland